Hey people, today we're going to be picking this Magnum 240. I've been told that these are really good locks. I imagine it falls into the Master 140 type security level because it does have spool pins. There's the full set. Put up a pretty good fight, actually. Yeah, this would be an excellent beginner's lock. I'll probably end up opening it up to see what's inside there and add the spool pins to my pin collection, as it has no key. At any rate, don't break the law. You know, peace, have fun, and if you want really wicked lockpicking tools, $7 shipping anywhere in the world, go to uklockpickers.co.uk and check out their stuff. Take it easy.